Today we're going to be talking about Shatavari, an Ayurvedic herb that is known in Ayurvedic medicine as woman with 100 husbands. It is known as that because it increases women's fertility, it increases women's vitality, it is known as an aphrodisiac, and it is a great herb for every cycle in a woman's life, whether it's before you start your period, when you're young and have your period, when you're older and have your period, and when you're post-period. You will receive so much support from Shatavari because it's a natural phytoestrogen that helps with mood. So even men can use it because it's considered adaptogenic, which is safe to drink on a daily basis, does not build up in the system. That's what an adaptogen means. It helps balance your stress hormones, doesn't build up in the system, safe to drink every day. Shatavari is one of my absolute favorite Ayurvedic herbs to use in magic hour teas. We have it in several of our blends. We have it in the Empress, which is a hot cocoa Shatavari blend with red raspberry leaf, which tonifies the uterus, as well as Schisandra berry, which relaxes your moods, and hawthorn. We also have it in the Moon, which is a Shatavari chamomile ashwagandha blend, which balances your mood. And then we also have it in Queen of Wellness, which is a tonifying uterine blend, primarily for people with PCOS, and it has chasteberry and other herbs in it as well. So let's get into the science behind Shatavari. I'm going to go ahead and read a little bit. It's known as Queen of Herbs. It's famed for its ability to balance female hormones. It contains phytoestrogens, natural plant compounds that mimic estrogen, which help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and night sweats. In Ayurvedic tradition, it's been used to harmonize the doshas, bringing balance and stability to the body. It enhances fertility. This powerhouse herb is also known to support female fertility by supporting the health of ovarian follicles. Shatavari is believed to strengthen the reproductive organs, promote healthy ovulation, and nourish the womb. It can also improve oocyte quality, the quality of the eggs, and enhance the chances of successful fertilization. Back to the reason why we call it woman with 100 husbands, this herb increases vitality and reproductive health. Shatavari is also said to strengthen and tone the uterus, making it more conducive to sustaining a pregnancy. It has the ability to boost immunity. Modern science has shown that Shatavari has immunomodulatory properties. This means that it supports your body's ability to protect your immune system from outside stressors. It is rich in antioxidants, which protect the body from free radicals and support overall health. The ancient Ayurvedic texts, Shatavari was praised for its rejuvenating qualities and fortifying the body's natural defenses. Shatavari also aids in digestion. It's a wonderful ally. It's known to soothe the digestive tract, alleviate acidity, and prevent gastric ulcers. Traditionally, it has been used to calm pitta dosha imbalances. I'm pitta. We tend to have acid reflux, which are often associated with digestive issues. The herb's cooling properties make it an ideal remedy for soothing inflammation. It promotes emotional well-being. In the realm of mental health, Shatavari is celebrated in Ayurveda for its calming effects. It is an adaptogen, helping the body manage stress and anxiety and bringing you back to stasis after a stressful event. For centuries, Shatavari has been used to bring emotional tranquility and enhance spiritual practices, grounding women in their inner strength and wisdom. It supports lactation as well. Nursing mothers have long turned to Shatavari for its ability to promote lactation and healthy breast milk production. This is supported by modern studies showing that Shatavari can increase prolactin levels, essential for lactation. In Ayurveda, it is considered a nurturing herb, providing both physical and emotional nourishment to mothers. Enhances libido. One of my favorite benefits, Shatavari is also known as a natural aphrodisiac. It enhances libido and vitality by supporting healthy hormone levels and increasing blood flow. Shatavari is often associated with divine feminine energy, invoking the goddess within and celebrating the joy of sensuality and intimacy. It also helps alleviate PMS symptoms. Women who experience premenstrual syndrome symptoms can find relief with Shatavari, as this herb has antispasmodic properties that can help relieve menstrual cramps and abdominal pain. It helps reduce bloating, pain, and mood swings by balancing hormones and providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Ancient texts often recommend Shatavari to soothe the body and mind during menstrual cycles. It also supports skin health, and it has high levels of antioxidants that benefit the skin and maintain a youthful glow. helps to hydrate the skin and promote elasticity. In Ayurveda, beautiful skin is a reflection of inner balance, and Shatavari, with its cooling and nourishing qualities, supports this holistic view. And if you want to know why it's called the Queen of Herbs, it's pretty obvious once you hear all of those facts. Now that you know all the incredible benefits of Shatavari, here are a few blends that you can make to enjoy the wellness benefits. This is Queen of Wellness, and this is a cantaloupe flavored butterfly pea flower, beautiful Shatavari tonic. This really helps if you have PCOS or PMS syndrome. This has a lot of chasteberry and Shatavari in it, as well as other herbs that can help relax you during your cycle and beyond. This is the Moon. This is a very high concentration of Shatavari. I put a lot of Shatavari in this blend. So this one is probably 4 times the Shatavari in this blend that's in the other blend. So enjoy your Shatavari. And that one also has Jamnema, and this is the Moon. It's spectacular. Jamnema also cuts sugar cravings. And then this is Empress. This is red raspberry leaf, as well as chocolate, Shatavari, and everything in the kitchen sink. I'm just gonna read a few of the things. It's apples, chicory, black currants, carob, licorice root, red raspberry leaf, hawthorn berry, schizandra, Shatavari, ashwagandha, lavender, maca, red reishi, carob, and the list goes on. This is a powerhouse hot cocoa Shatavari blend with red raspberry leaf. And this is a beautiful, if you're having a sweet tooth or you love chocolate, that is a gorgeous chocolate blend. So these are our 3 main Shatavari blends, although I've been known to throw it in other blends as well, like Queen of Joy. You can sip these on ice throughout the month and then enjoy better balance during your time of the month. Or if you're postmenopausal, you can sip them to help increase your estrogen levels, which is protective of your body when you are low on estrogen. Estrogen deprivation decreases our ability to fight off disease, and it makes us less compassionate. You can ask my husband. Just kidding. Okay, so that is Shatavari. I hope you will get some into your daily practice of tea, and I hope that you discover the benefits of the Queen of Herbs. You can find more at clubmagichour.com.